Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of recording a sales invoice, inclusive of tax, in Tally Prime. In your business, you might be selling stock items with rates inclusive of GST. However, you want to record sales invoice inclusive of tax in such a way that you can show the GST amount in the invoice against the relevant tax ledgers whenever you share it with your buyer. And it would be time-consuming for you to exclude GST amount from the rate of stock items through manual calculation outside Tally Prime. Tally Prime has an excellent feature using which you can record a sales invoice inclusive of tax and rest assured that the GST amount appears in the voucher. The product considers the GST rate entered in the stock item master and calculates the GST rate during voucher creation. Let's see how to record a sales invoice inclusive of tax. Press Alt+G. Create voucher and press F8 for sales. Select the party and sales ledger. Now, press F12 and set Provide Rate Inclusive of Tax for Stock Items to Yes. Press Ctrl+A to save the setting. You can now see two columns, Rate Inclusive of Tax and Rate. Select the stock item and enter the quantity. Enter the rate inclusive of tax. As you enter the rate inclusive of tax, Tally Prime calculates the rate excluding GST. The rate gets automatically calculated based on the GST rate details entered in the stock item master. Select another stock item and enter the quantity. Enter the rate inclusive of tax and the rate gets calculated. Now, select the relevant tax ledgers based on the place of supply. The tax gets calculated. Enter other necessary details and press Ctrl+A to save the invoice. Press Page Up and then you can immediately print the invoice. Press Ctrl+P and then press I to preview. Rate inclusive of tax and rate appear in the invoice as different columns along with the tax amounts. As you saw, recording sales invoices inclusive of tax in Tally Prime is a cakewalk. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.